Why your Ninja Blast won't charge properly. If your Ninja Blast isn't charging like it should, here are the most common fixes to try. 1. Use the right charging cable. Not all USB-C cables deliver the same power. Some cheaper or older ones may charge too slowly, or not at all. For best results, use a high-quality USB-C cable that supports fast charging. We've linked one below that's reliable and works well with portable appliances like this. 2. Check the charging light. When plugged in, the light should flash green. This means it's charging. If you don't see any light, try a different USB port or wall adapter. 3. Make sure the port is clean. Inspect the USB-C port on the blender. If there's lint, moisture, or debris inside, charging may fail. Use a soft brush or dry air to gently clean it out. 4. Let the battery warm up. If the blender was stored somewhere cold, the battery may not accept a charge right away. Let it reach room temperature before trying again. 5. Try a different adapter. Some wall plugs don't deliver enough power. Try a different USB wall charger, ideally one rated for fast charging. Still no luck? Contact Ninja Support using the link below. And if your cable or adapter is the problem, we've got a recommended replacement linked in the description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and blend easy.